Hello and welcome to SOLIDWORKS 30th Anniversary Tips and Tricks. My name is Miloš Razdíra and I will guide you through 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS, which became a standard for 3D designing. And current challenges like team collaboration, data management and sharing needs some solution. The answer is cloud services, the tools which are available with SOLIDWORKS as you know today, and even with SOLIDWORKS Connected or 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS if you wish. But back to 1995, where famous Windows operating system was released, as well as the first release of SOLIDWORKS. And 30 years later, we can have a look to SOLIDWORKS Desktop. As I mentioned, contains cloud services. It allows access to 3D Experience platform, managing lifecycle, connect SOLIDWORKS to safe and open data, and also CAM system. SOLIDWORKS 3D Experience contains application SOLIDWORKS Connected. It also needs those basic roles which you need to acquire. And on left side, we all know SOLIDWORKS Installation Manager, license types, and on left side, installation starts by assigning by administrator in 3D Experience platform, then user can install to local Windows, and license is named user. So you can install us on many computers as you wish, but it can run on only one computer at a time with automatic logout on previous devices. So you can design anywhere, anytime on any supported PC with supported Windows. That role can be assigned to another user. Look and feel and user interface is almost identical, just slight differences. As I mentioned, it comes with integrated CAM based on Delmia technology. It comes or brings 3D access machining, cutting and nesting. Now we are presented with SOLIDWORKS Connected interface. You see it is almost identical, and on the right side you can use my session to drive collaboration, manage lifecycle management, which is represented by locking for collaboration, revisions, if the revision is the latest status, or maturity state, if it was released or still working on that. We can show how to replace the revision for this part, and can demonstrate how to lock in team collaboration. But we are now approaching the command save as new, which creates new variants out of original one. So after slight renaming for main assembly and some part, all those will be reused. It will not create any copy, any duplicate. So only what I ticked as a new part. I will show you later. So we can slightly modify this wheel, make it bigger, rebuild it, and that's done. So we have new variant. If we check the relations for this, it belongs only to one assembly. In opposite, the tank belongs to more assemblies or sub-assemblies, and important is that it is in the system just once. So it was SOLIDWORKS Connected in action. I shown you how it works, and thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.